What's good YouTube? BrianaLorenn here. I know, it's been a minute, but we're here. We're going to be doing a hair transformation. Okay, this is my natural hair. It's very rare, in rare form right now. I normally have it put away, and that's what's going to be happening today. I am going to be doing crochet braids but with some new hair, and I wanted to come on here, show you guys. I'm gonna film the whole process. My girl's coming to my house today to do my hair and just show you what it looks like at the end. If you haven't heard, the brand is called BoHo Locks. This is such a dope concept and idea. I like that it's black owned. Her name is, I think, Lulu Pierre. I normally, anytime you guys see me, I have crochet braids. I'll have, you know, a weave in. I just did some goddess locks kind of, which I will not do again because that just took so long to take out, and I'm not about that life. I wanted to do crochet braids again. Normally I use free tress hair from the beauty supply store, but I wanted to try something different, something that was a little bit more long wearing, something that I could reuse. I liked the faux locks that I had, but I don't want to do individuals like around my whole head. So I was looking for a brand, just a different kind of faux lock hair that was crochet braid hair that looked like it was good quality and just didn't look like regular, you know, goddess locks, you know, something a little different. So I found this brand. Her name is Lulu Pierre. What's crazy to me is that her brand has like almost 100,000 followers on IG, but like when you go to her actual page, she only has like 900, or not even 900 followers, but like that doesn't matter, because as long as you've created a product that's getting the play and the sales and the, you know, media attention, that's really the focus. So I found her. I don't even remember how I found this hair, but I was like, yes. So basically it comes like this. So it's called BoHo Locks. It is faux locks designed by the US and handmade in the US. Let's go. This hair already has the crochet loops at the top. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bundles of this hair. And I'll just pull it out. It's like soft. So I got the shades Chocolate Bronde, and these are the mermaid locks. So I wanted something that was like more wavy. They've got this nice like color on the end of some of them, so like you can mix these in, which is dope. These two come with the crochet loops already, and then this is the hair that you can kind of like piece in between the ones that you're using. This hair is like super soft. It's got a nice kind of like ombre chocolate bronze kind of look. I think that's going to be so pretty on my skin. When I went and found this hair, and I was like, okay, well, I'm not doing it myself, but I want my hairstylist to see what it looks like. Lulu has gone in and literally done like so many different tutorials on her own hair, on clients' hair, her model's hair, so you can really see the different ways that you can install this hair. And I appreciate that. All of this, like this with this, was $177, and you can probably be like, the most I spend on crochet hair is like 50 to 60 bucks. And what I really like about this is that this hair is reusable. Thank you. Yes, because you know, you spend that $60 and then, you know, I keep mine in from anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, and then I'm putting it in another protective hairstyle, and then I'm spending another $60. So if I can get at least 2 uses out of this, you know, I like that. And it's just a little bit more like fun, funky, it's natural, it's got the ombre on the bottom, and I really like that. So I got an extra pack of the ombre hair. Ordered this hair, and then I went and watched her tutorials, and she was like, oh, I only used like 5 of the bundles, I still had hair left over. And I was like, oh, so like I really didn't have to get an extra pack. But I'm actually glad I got an extra pack, because I can use more of the ombre hair. So this is what's going down today. I am on, I guess you can call it like a natural hair journey. My hair is about here. It's very rough, blown out, but when I record you'll see it, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the transformation, and then I'll kind of do like a 1 month review too, to just show you how the hair quality is and how it lasts, because if these are reusable, they should stay, you know, that initial integrity and quality that the hair came in if I can reuse them again. So we'll be back and I'll be a whole nother person. Okay. They also came with like these cool funky like hair beads, hair ties that you can put on the hair too, which I think is cool because sometimes like the hair by itself gets a little old, so like to be able to dress it up a little bit, I dig that. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so she laid the foundation down. We've got braids in the back, and we've got the little pieces in the front. 2, 4, 6, 8. It looks so cute. Y'all, I am like loving this hair. So my girl Faye just finished it. She's a bomb Jersey hairstylist. I'm going to link her below. Every time she does my hair, it's just like perfection. Okay, so this took about, we started at 12:30 and she finished around like 2:45. 2:30, 2:45, so a smooth 2 hours. Again, this is the Choco Bronde. So, and these are the mermaid locks. So one thing I will say is like these curly pieces, like the free hair that came, when I originally watched Lulu's video, it said that you got like 40 pieces of that hair and I only got 20. So I don't know if that was like an old video, and that was really enough. And what we did is just I did my front braids first, you know, those loose ones that make it look super natural with that hair, and then put in all of the crochet braid pieces, and then went in with like the free loose hair and kind of filled it in where we saw fit, because you only got 20 pieces. But I'm gonna show you what I have left from just the one pack. I basically have like a pack. This is like one pack and like a little bit left of the ombre hair, and then I had ordered an extra pack, which I'll just use for next time. Yeah, I didn't have any of the loose hair left. I just had these left, and mostly the dark shades. I wanted to really utilize the ombre hair most because I just wanted something like lighter for now, and I think like I would wear this hair all year round. The color is bomb. I'm gonna keep you guys updated of just how this hair looks like as I wear it. It's faux locks, but it's like hair faux locks, and that's what I like. Like personally for me, for my head shape, like I'm 5'9", like I'm solid. For my face shape, I just prefer more hair. So I like the fact that like I can put it to the side. I mean, I'm sure I could do like a super cute half up, half down, like leave these pieces in the front. And I literally had my girl follow what Lulu did in the style in the YouTube tutorials, and Faye was amazing. So yeah, this was like a one-day transformation. I'm going to be wearing this probably all summer long because it just gives me the curl, but it gives me like I'm kind of wearing weave but still full locks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll probably do like a month update just to show you guys how this looks. And Lulu said like it does get flatter, so if you want to like have the pieces to fill it in a little bit more, you can use that. But the fullness is like everything for me right now. All right, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, Cub Scouts.